Custer State Park, we have arrived. We're here. Yay!
Hi, we are Publio and Miriam of the Last Coast Journey. We're rolling across the U.S. to see a bunch of states and a bunch of places. Come join us, like, subscribe, and comment. We would love to share our journey with you.
Welcome to Custer State Park. With over 71,000 acres, it is home to a number of campgrounds, including the one we're in, and park lodges. Game Lodge Campground is located across the street from the visitor center and next to the entrance to the wildlife loop, where you can see bison, pronghorn antelopes, a bunch of burros, and much, much more. Just a short drive from the campground is the scenic 14 miles Needles Highway, and also the 18-mile Iron Mountain Road with its pigtail bridges that lead you to Mount Rushmore. We stayed here the week before the 2024 Sturgis Rally and had a blast. Stay tuned for more videos on the places we visited. We have arrived at Game Lodge Campground inside the beautiful Custer State Park here in South Dakota. By the way, we are in site 20. Very convenient to the dumpster, the laundry room, and the bathhouse. On the other side of that fence right there, there is a very good chance that we can see bison this week while we're here. And on the opposite side is a creek, if I remember correctly. Anyhow, we're gonna go for a walk with the pups. The creek front sites, but they're only for tents. But it's kind of cool if you have a tent that you're able to set up right there next to the creek. That's pretty damn cool. The dump right here, and then on the other side over there, let me see, there is the water, and then that's the laundromat.
So we're here cooking dinner, and the doggies are right over there. They're doing good.
Yeah, it's all good.
Good food.
Good company.
Some wine, excellent company, and peace.
Somebody's getting your shoes put on today.
Okay, so this morning,
Cheers.
we had an appointment at the tire shop here in Rapid City,
South Dakota.
That we had made this appointment a few days ago, almost a week ago, but I ordered tires online, had them delivered to this place. And today was the scheduled appointment today at 10 in the morning. Get there, drop off the Jeep. We got an hour to go play. Not even 20 minutes later, they call me. I'm sorry, we can't do it. They're locked to the wheels. The lock nut for the wheels, the key is missing. It's not in the Jeep. Obviously, I come back, I reach for it, not in the Jeep. They said, we can't help you until you get those things off of there. So we went on an expedition. We went to other tire places. One place said they could do it for $200, but I got to bring it back on Monday. All the other places were like negative Nellies, telling me, no, it's impossible, you can't do it, you got to burn it off, this and that. And I finally went to the hardware store.
But wait, you forgot one part, very important part. Who gave you the idea?
Oh, yeah. You can never do anything alone. So the first person I turned to is my brother, who is the one that knows all about this stuff because he's worked in that industry his whole life. First thing he does is sends me a video. YouTube again. Thank God for YouTube. And the video was great. Told me exactly what I need to do. Now I just gotta go find the part. So I got the closest thing to that part on Harbor Freight, which they were kind enough to let me test a few parts, make sure which one worked, and then I bought the ones that did work. I banged it in there, you know, it was not exact, but if you bang it in there, you put a wrench to it and you turn it, and it worked. I did that one time, then the lug nut got stuck, and I got a picture for that, but it got stuck, so I couldn't take it out. Went back to the tire place, asked them for a hammer, did that one, and did the other three, done. Tires were in the shop.
So now, yes, now the Jeep is getting new shoes.
New shoes. And we're going back the same day with new tires.
Cheers to that.
You guys told me it couldn't be done. It's being done.